Kumchacha. Nami Pia no the cram bag. Kumchacha no the mechisa ball boy. Kofi Adomah the contract.
Sofo Kumchacha.
No, I am a ball boy. Make all you pictures about.
In 2025 when Pharaoh and Tua Kramo Abatu. Wallahi. Pharaoh and Tua Kramo Abatu. And I like it how the beef has started very early. Afia Schwarzenegger. Krobias and Nico to Koniba. Yasantua. Osi there be or just said the Yaa Yeboah Magraheb TV. And Sofo Kumchacha Asia Bell Horono. Efa asemo kwa kan efa Kofi Adomah woni ani nsensem ho na wo so mekan bia enye wan kan me na say kam say omu eye defeat no omu ya ene ne title on say on tia say emu bia nyene title it Afia Schwarzenegger enu wa be clash no mu de be sie ni tibetiba pa aha Penyah block media mess was any day mo oba like video no that one over subscribe button and somebody click button for na connect latest updates now we chere wa dwen dia ma me e wo comment especially was e ya no share video ma unu aso enya bi ahwe every bia Kofi Adomah woni en ne yire en ebusian for obi address the media en na dofo concerning the eye shooting incidents no there were a whole lot of conversation on the street Afia Schwarzenegger crowd be say oh enya no kra en enya no kra ni nyam na etua ne ka mopo nyam na etua ne ka en ne ebetu out of onya ho hwe ye
Yankopon asese Kofi Adomah ni no efra ochire wu ma asem o be ka ne yie e wo shai suremo amen. He did worse than that. All because Abrokwa in his statement said what John Payne won and the band fear be attack him. Kofi Adomah was granted more than 700 interviews. And so I took my case to God. Me call mama let's take altar so. Na me call mama nye che Nyankopon. And then the yeses come out. Me the yansra mami o. Yansra mami. Go back to court. Abokwa was not staying in my house. Oguli wall never me fee. Just to attack me. Kofi Adomah was glorifying it. You chose the path of the enemy. I am jubilating because kwasia plaster neta when you know. No hospital will plaster your face like that. Kwasia.
Emma Sofo Kumchacha beke kana uchire Afia Schwarzenegger. Magraheb TV ebeke kana bi chire no.
People are still now they still doubt say if say even Kofi got shot in the first place. You for bit to say Afia Schwarzenegger. Kofi babe kasa e be videos are oye. Kwasi akeka okeka. Onu aka say nyanse ni team dada. So you know it is what it is. But am for binom sha they feel like na dey na Kofi dia ye no. E simple 7 years ago. Okoko chiti woni kunu so. And then Abrokwa na aka sa kokoto ne so. And then did the video about it. After that no and Abrokwa be the Kofi ye interview. That is it. Because it's a Kofi near Brokwa ye interview meeting no. Just a shina match say anytime Biano be getting the least opportunity Biano attempted it towards Kofi, which makes no sense because you know the cockatches who cheat and you know that they camera show who couldn't same some ramacho. Tell me who couldn't buy better one now to be my butu so no. Never Kofi ni hobby. And that incident happened 7 years ago, 8 years ago no. And only who win as well 10 years always bad on, you know, Kofi. This is who's will beat say kasa. They are not talking because they are someone can no creepy woman and I say or the point in a quick see baby. No. And then you are man for the fact is a wakasa. If for Kofi asema see what the man on kwadi automatically na just say you are in line for attempt. I saw a lady on Facebook who posted to Adibia on no say time my Kofi Rebecca and say the scale must spend this so far no was you know about $500,000 no. And then Nipana could Google like a typo $500,000 whatever for an eye surgery no could be in the womb. Jimmy if it's open real information why don't you then reach out to Kofi or better yet reach out to the hospital because more fields of kaka there's not many in this world. So why don't you then reach out to them and ask say if the surgery go cost that amount? There ya when Nipanikum scale must spend it. All these things in the idea is not small amount of money. First surgery mudi can koye and another last na mitrim. Mudi about 3 or 4 days. That first surgery cost $172,000. That is Scar Hospital in Kwaji.
Emma Yaa Yeboah on United Showbiz as a fire Afia Schwarzenegger.
What seeing conform some awamuka? Obisi and settings and the Ebimu so say Wama Sheda Achiromu Yamukom and Wama Bompaye and our Munyame Ayebibi Obianyami Yashi Ghana for Memo Bian Adam. Obianyami Yashi on to me Yahui Omu Nyami Bia Omu Mompaye and Yamini Somo Yare. Because someone can say problem. What you say? Obi enyame nya hwe ye. Wo nyame bia bompa ye no ma wo bra ne nya ye neja. Ade am chi ni wiase. Any wo bia wo kan ni person ba wo kan dia na ye ya. If you don't have the balls, don't talk about people. And when people come to talk about you, you think you have a God that you can call and the God will cause somebody to go blind. Are you dumb? What's wrong with you? Ade kroma ye ti ha no. Ye hu ade ana. No, but now I know I can truka na sebibenia no Ghana for wo mo be ja wo mo ho ama nkofo aye we ni agye di ni eposie na we nyam obi anyam ye hui wo nyam bi abompan no nye wa brabo yankenye ne wo ne eni ba bia wonam no me pamacho Ghana for me stress asama atukofi no emu aya sebi imprejas abrante no nam ho no o mesre na wadi enti no we no o metena ho mfa obi say yeah man obi say ye the plaster carry na ni na wa sheda e na wa carry na ni no na odi ba be pesika hey na wo obi ya setting sin wo kroma then I okay because you can't say on TikTok no I don't know the rate at which the thing is moving say be e ka obi akoma kra say wo mo akra na akwa ye bibie wo we cannot tolerate this nonsense on our social media space. It's too much. Asemesi na branch and he needs some level of sanity to be able to heal properly. Your best Ghana for especially abroach for your name say TikTok mo ya yetua mo ka. Enti nya mo benya mfaso gina ye bia ni so ni abegina TikTok ni aka ni hwe ye views ni numbers ye that na dem mo adwuma na mo ye wo ho na mtimu su say yetua mo ka TikTok sika no so mo enya nka ho a mo bewu ana ni ntro na mo twa no. It's too much. Yepamacho. If you don't have anything to say, just shut up. Don't come there and come and be talking about your God has done something. Your God has.
Na I don't know if you are ready no say there be. Say the uncle for me and say we see be so see me so per trade na me so dey. Say ma make when I come here I say, "Omo ya any title. Eti Afia Schwarzenegger aba defend no ho." Na was sending message to Magraheb, MC Yaa Yeboah, any Sofo Kumchacha na Sofo Kumchacha kran emre bi atwam. Na oye the boy.
Taki me na pena wo fie. Do you know say me dey call therapy for over 1 year? Para wo also.
Obey nervous aye.
Me dey call therapy for over 1 year. Our airport women's hospital. Me ba na trauma now for me. Other one work come.
Oh.
Accra Mental Hospital. When him Kofi Adomah, me DK Aluminium, and then I me bet you Mutago I say DK Aluminium. Now or your boy or your boys South Africa. And we a deal. No na work permits. And no Jessica no the journey here no the bag. DK Aluminium wasn't a millionaire. He's a thief. Or a fraudster. And we have fraud. And a cannibal no one of the bagana. And to coffee at the sound no I line no bagana. Or copies FM so or adverts. Or call a boy went to me. And no shiame. Oh shiame mother. They my boy. Tago, DK Aluminium.
But say when you tago anga.
And then kwabna tago.
Okay.
And also oil coffee na mde coffee. Aluminium no kwa moa. For we finish it kan for way. Afi bra kasapa. Me show no I own the show. And this me do to so. Adverts no the answer ya traba. Me na me say me 10 times 20 times and for bia ho. And we run the business to some level. Me na me catch and say, me kwame intimi na wo advert. And if I Kofi Adomah come.
Oh sir.
Kofi Adomah be call London for the first time in his life. Me DK Aluminium betna me fie ene me to sue ho. Am me man go ahead and sign on the boy in London. Tie.
Oh sir.
Tie. Only tago call London no. And no mo find girls wo ho. Maybe I can't say much now. Time and Kofi Adomah. Me kwa se mi ba here. On traso no. Me want madam for be friend. Me friend Sandro Usu. or London. Meaning the call JSS. Also me, when you say I'm a married woman, you Kofi Adomah train for more than 2 years. And Kofi Adomah say, what for who could not say that they knew me? Kofi Adomah, and that is so seen or so no, sad and I want to and I send the try. Kofi Adomah, me na me ma ya didn't call London, me cancer, me cancer.
Okay, if you are I broke a case in the one yard.
Kumchacha se proyano.
Facheno.
Kumchacha. Na mi pia no ne kura me bag. Kumchacha no di mechi se ball boy. Kofi Adomah na contract.
Sofo Kumchacha no.
No ya me ball boy. Me ko yi pictures aba. Mi pia wo di mechi kura bag. Kofi Adomah na contract Kumchacha so me di matem. Mi wo videos a Kumchacha kura me bag pictures. Me post. Mi ko do fear. Me you on my iPhone so post.
Wanya de ba facheno why fear.
Da bi me fan chen na ni be fra. Na ni en fan so a wo bewu. Me papa ewu enti kwase ati se Kofi Adomah wo wu ana eden. Cheers.
I broke a case in the wanya de because na me dwene me am was the one wo case ana.
Wo di madam fo.
Yeah, mama kan sem cheo. Na je say bia man no ene ma mo say ene ma o so I broke a case in musa na say na bibi do ha na
Na
bibi.
be say sad time no.
Na only no beef dada na.
Na me ni beef.
Na no TV so oye interviews very thing.
Kofi Adomah oye yi hot na ho. Oye yi hot na ho. Na ye Kofi Adomah say obetimi ayi mi afita go abrabom. No wa bet na ho.
Okay.
And you know, no nyim say me na me catch DK say go and pick this boy. Rather, he was trying everything to discredit my brand.
So now why is he?
Tago me do nyame ni me dance ni me run me dress e we dry me dry no na me throw ni di tago na me twi me to go so na me catch say what tago we duma na ngo a ye mfa me fia
say I don't so ada way o dey
di aluminium na gu police for Penyah no edu maybe no to pan no ton wo kwan ho
I don't know so for ke what happen.
Wo Kofi Adomah didi matama na wo sponsor.
Okay.
Wo me ma wo ye di.
Ni show no.
Na me ka tell me say tago. Me ni wo kasa no landing for be 10 na Penyah no. Aba be si atam ni sika de adwane. Ano so na jiji nkwafo sika wo si dan a no or complete man. Me say di aluminium me say edu maybe no jina kwan wo ton pa no. Wo de me bedi ago. Me dia me ya hu mo.
I would tell.
Me dia hu mo nyina di. Me jina kopon di. Me jitu mi bi di. Wo ye wo fa. De sa wo no me de be ma ne o.
Yes sir.
Me call Ghana. Me worry ya me call Ghana no. Tago friend me no. Oti community 25 oti wadwane obi an oti Islegon. Wade ne ho tete. Obi an no say afia mayo bone facha me. Na me say Tago. Un Dabi dia me pese nya me ya no wonya nya nru.
Ana mo ya dia o manya de mo.
Me say Tago ka cha me say afia.
Me dem me afia enye say bia o me nua no ana me kasa na sisi but me that during that time no the way I Kofi Adomah si fast na me mo answer na me say as one no go who be did na time send the yellow bi ni wan
na Kofi Adomah ne sample
na me nim say bi na so say na num bon say enti na me nim say one enti na me nim enti na onim ne personal na onim ne personal
before Kofi Adomah did that to me Kofi Adomah me offer me sister fia Kofi Adomah me an nsagu nachi. That is why I recommended a brand. I didn't have any issue with him.
Yeah.
Baby, when we are sister Fiamba. Now why I will say patch yes akwala foforo bini. Unsa akwala foforo ani yafuni ani ano. O money e just straight. Na nsuo fra. Sa confidence necessary ni na apro.
Some.
The simple.
Already, they say I want to fetch no.
And ya ma reho ba ku say me bu say Nyankopon say nti de obetinya ye ni.
Oh.
Kai.
Maybe one.
Oh so.
Maybe now one can be in China man eh.
Onim say nya ma reho. No onim so want to be ka bibia ma nya ma reho. Kofi ebe asema ma reho no. E see ya na ma reho immediately. Asema I don't give a fuck no. E see ya like I'm asking God. Nti ya me de obetinya ye ni o. Usu betia matamfo kaneni.
You obetinya ya understand.
Said the plaster yet to tata.
Hey, I'll come.
Nanrano, no, muti UTV now will come and once no. I don't any that's fighting time scam. So that's why honestly I wire ye. Sikania won you plane. I don't want time scam correct Kofi Adomah. Omo to anu job manum. It's the executive club. Yani aye ye. Asukwa mai. Haja for real boy, Kitwai, or no crampo, abeto plane, as the car for a money plane. Move out, shimming from go. Mudamu be infected in the soul and come assembly. You hear?
I don't know more.
You think when I'm so much Jimmy no go. As the car for a money plane. David or crowd private jets. Niama, comfort boy, small boy, more boy, on the crowd plane. Money be. Mo to kwaya na mo fa.
Afia ya motre na de ya.
Simi frame so.
Afia o ya nya motre so.
Me your life we say me beji di one matter. Mo na mo interrupt me.
Da bi na say me buy na yen. Na no wan say my yen kan wan say.
So kan e wan say.
Afia.
Mo nim nyansa o.
Say me buy yen wan say.
Mo nim nyansa ni bia ni o. Ah? Esika for mo ni plane. Mosayana moto Tesla ye car Tesla ekroma Uber
Ada if you mo kan asem no mo di watem o ana
ewu ya dem pese me di na tem na me di na tem.
Don't let
anybody sit on your stupid TV and talk about me. Mobile brocha na ma beto Tesla na me de kwa check Ghana for who achi balago Tesla ye de ma wa ubeti.
Maybe so family mechanics case.
No crab Tesla ubeti.
Mr. Afia whatever so.
I am a Tesla. To plane no Munto plane. It's like when I get fan club. Munto plane. Me Ghana home me move be above from Ibrahim Mama. Because on no plane. Na cars na motor no
They say plane or limit ana.
Na na balago. Oba be see am ko Master. Akoyi brand new E300. E dey how much me? Adia minister me beto say a plane. And you why a year munto plane. Na Tesla there, a taxi will chrome her, me work credit score, betting me.
Why there is about track now, Kana?
Aye. If I join your Uber, catch him saying your Uber. Palago means a sad topic, you know.
What is it?
Means a sad topic, you know. I want to tell you, TV, that this is your last warning. Me, mother, me know a baby angu ye, and DNA, and Colane Yamema. If anybody sits on that UTV and talk about me again, you will see my hands. More, I am warning you people. Many will baby angu ye, many will be woya, Yakoye DNA, and Colane Yameba. Some will become as some UTV will be my home. Mobile sorry. E kachiramo many will be anwoye esikafua motion crofoma asam what I won't try me won't try because moba samoye near kase fiane I minyo menya na menya magene samiye Ghana fueskafua Mojiji skadi kodi nkwala atwe. Mo aye yi amunto plane. Mo nwa kwala keto anu abeto plane. Aha. David will play. And then Sikafua, Mati Kuodi Dinkola. Going about pretending you are rich man. Get the fuck off. Get the fuck off. Get the fuck off. My year no be the dimu bini. Say my kamate. My year and no be the dimu bini. Money and one and paper moto. Get the fuck off. Why a year koto plane? Koto plane, net Tesla. Why a year koto plane? I'm trying to respect you people. You don't respect yourself. Someone Jimmy. I repeat, why a year to plane? Why a year to plane? Neja say, Kasa ya di cheaters will chrome hano. Mosayana we eat. Mofamu Jimmy wants us a bunch of stupid nitwits. Baby. Let's wait till I can't tree saying.
Let's wait till I from focus here. Would you know the meaning of
the tree? They say, and was your man, and was a man, no. At a time, dear man, no. I bet you call her from which she be from a song call. Oh, brother.
Want to make us and venture.
What did you do? Kola, woo, na. And man and your mamma, Mokoya DNA, not DNA, Fanny Monomacoman want to. Modern from Jimmy Mamaso, Maya Yam is someone to play. Mount Richmond, Obetama Totas, Tosa hand cars. Namo, Moko Manche cars, my year. Monto Plano, Davido, our private jet. Niama, what a private jet. Mama, Mama, or private jets. Namunan cast, now what they try, no. Now we are shimming.
And said in Sofo Kumchacha, and I saw we Afia Schwarzenegger can a pandy. Sofo Kumchacha ever babonten. It's way video ever part 1 because Minim said Kenya Neke, so Bianca Sakura Kumchacha there. Minimum. Kumchacha will come and lambast Afia Schwarzenegger about a Canadian power. Into wait for Kumchacha's reaction on this particular incident. Before that, I had Penyah Block Media. Back out.